Hi, this video is going to give you instruction about how to complete the assignment for this week. So if you remember, the assignment for this week was to set up Google Drive on your computer, and now we're going to find a way to show proof of that. We're going to get an image of your computer and we're going to share it out through that actual Drive account. So in order to do that, you can access Google Drive by whatever means you prefer. We've looked at several. If you prefer to work on the web, that's fine. If you want to work in your own drive, that's fine. So I've gone probably the slowest way I could have gone, but I'm there. And what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to create a folder. And that folder should be called Integrating Technologies. Now, I prefer to put an underscore in my file names, but if you want to leave a space, that's fine. There's no need. It's just a habit. And you're going to use this folder right now to contain a picture of your file structure on your computer. And in order to do that, you're going to have to take a screen capture of that. So let me minimize this for a minute. Okay, I'm back on my desktop and I'm going to open my File Explorer. This will show the file structure on my computer. And I am going to open Google Drive. And now I can see there's Integrating Technologies in my Google Drive. And this is probably adequate as it is right now. So I need to take a screen capture of this particular image and put it inside that folder. Now on a PC, there are a number of ways to do it. There are extensions you can get. There's a snip tool, but sometimes those are problematic or it's just a lot of time to explain. So I'm going to go with the old tried and true method. On your computer, find the key that says Print Screen and tap it. That is going to take an image of your entire desktop. And all you've got to do now is save that out as an image file and put it in the right place. Again, a simple way is to go into your search box and look for a program called Paint. This was first on Windows 95 and it's been on every version since. So open that one up. If it opens up with a very big box, just grab the corner and shrink it down. And what that's going to do is when I paste this picture in there, it's going to expand now to the exact size of the picture if this canvas is smaller than the picture. So that's why I want to make it small. Then I can simply paste the picture. There's a paste button here. I prefer Control V or Command V on a Mac. And now you can see that my picture is actually in there. So if I go to File and I say Save, I can navigate to my Google Drive, my Integrating Technologies, and we were told to name this Drive Pick last name, comma, first name. And I'm going to save it. And the PNG format is fine, PNG, or a JPEG, JPG is fine. Either of those two formats is fine, and I'm going to say Save. And now I can close Paint. And if I were to go, I can see it's syncing now, these two blue arrows. It's already talking to Google about what I put in there. But if I go in there locally, I'm going to see that Drive pick right here. And if I were to open that up large, I can see your file structure right here. Now, if you want to get fancy and you know how to take a screen capture of just that window, you can do that. The image will be a little larger, easier to look at. If you know how to crop it, that's fine. But as long as it can be viewed, don't go to any great trouble. I'd like you to think about this for a minute. How are you going to get this to me and the rest of the class? I will have posted the sharing Gmail addresses on there. And you want to share the Integrating Technologies folder and thus its contents with everybody. So if you were doing it locally on your computer, you would simply right-click Google Drive, Share, which would bring you to this window. And if you were online, you would just right-click the folder and say Share. Very similar process. Go to Advanced and include all our email addresses down here. So I'll put them up in a nice easy form where you can copy the whole list with commas in between, and that should do it. Then you can send us the file, and that will complete this assignment. For those of you who are on a Mac, I'm sure most of you are already aware, but if you're not and you want to take a screen capture, it's actually easier for you. If you hit Command and Shift, hold them down at the same time, and then tap 3, you're going to get your entire screen, and it's going to automatically drop to your desktop as an image. So you can just move that into the correct folder on Google Drive. If, on the other hand, you want just the window that shows, just the one window or an area of your screen that shows the file structure a little more succinctly, you're going to hold down Control Shift and hit 4. Then you'll get a set of crosshairs. And when you draw over those and release, the image will go to your desktop and you can move it in. As always, if you have any questions, suggestions, problems, comments, just email me at my Ramapo address. Good luck and have fun.